So one pretty important part of a membership website is members. So in this video, let's look at adding and managing members when using the MemberSpace widget. The majority of this video will be spent in the MemberSpace backend, so that's where we'll begin. You'll see I'm logged into my account here. So let's take a look at where the members are contained. So in the top nav, we have a members button. Let's click on that. And you can see that we have a list of all our members and the various plans they're on. So we have our demo user here. This is who we've been logging in as. And let's just click View Member Details to see more about that member. So it shows us some of our information about the member. So our login times, our locations, that sort of thing. We can edit the member information. We can resend the invite email and kind of control all of these settings. If I go back to the main members page here, you can see we can also export our members out. So if I click Export Options on the left, then we can export a CSV or expanded file that gives us information about our entire member directory. And lastly, let's take a look at the Invite New Member option. So just in case we're not allowing signups on the site or we want to manually add a new member, let's invite a new member. So you can see it brings us to a page where we just simply fill in our member information, their email address, their username, and the plan that we'd like them to be on. And then they'll receive an email invite where they can pay for the plan and log in after that. Now, of course, the other way for members to create accounts is through your website. And we've, of course, added this Create Account button in a previous video. But just to remind you where that is, if we go up to Customize, General Options, we have this option to enable Create Account button with the login form. And then, of course, your login can act both as an intake for existing members and an area for new members to sign up. Then, of course, we have other options within the MemberSpace backend for cancellations. What happens when somebody cancels? Does it cancel at the end of their billing period or immediately? We have localization options for time zones, languages, notification options for sending emails to members. We have integrations with third parties, various fields, dashboards, even code injection, some look and feel options. So this would change the kind of styling on your forms. There are a ton of options in here. It's a really powerful system. And I think you're going to love how simple and easy it is to manage a complete membership site using the MemberSpace widget. Now, of course, we've barely skimmed the surface of all of the options here for setting up your site, managing members, but we encourage you to explore deeper both within the MemberSpace area and our own without code documentation to really get a handle on this entire system. It's super powerful. Thanks again for watching this series and best of luck creating your new membership website.